Do you speak English?
How to make an appointment with a doctor over the phone.
Hello, AMH Medical Offices. May I help you?
Hello, I want to make an appointment to see Dr. Linda.
What's your first name?
My name is Kimberly.
Are you a new patient?
No. I've seen doctor before.
Why do you want to see the doctor?
I have had a very bad sore throat for 5 days.
When can you see the doctor?
Is today possible?
Yes, today is fine. What time would you like?
As soon as possible.
Please wait a moment. I'll see if the doctor is available.
Okay.
Sorry, he's with a patient right now. It's probably going to be about another 30 minutes. Would you mind waiting a little longer?
I will reach there another half an hour.
I can get you in at 2:30 p.m. Will that work for you?
Yes, I can be there at 2:30 p.m.
How will you pay? Do you have medical insurance or out of pocket?
I will pay from out of pocket. Is there any discount for self-paying patients?
Yes, 20% discount for self-paying patients.
Nice, thank you for information.
Okay, please come in this afternoon at 2:30 p.m.
Thank you, goodbye.
I would like to make an appointment to see Dr. Smith.
What do you need to see the doctor for?
I just need an annual checkup.
Okay, the doctor's next available appointment is next Monday at 10 a.m.
That's perfect. Do I need to bring anything with me?
Please bring your insurance card and photo ID.
I need to see Dr. Johnson right away.
What is wrong?
I think I broke my arm.
Can you move it?
It hurts if I try to move it.
You need to go to the emergency room.
The emergency room is too expensive. I do not have medical insurance.
Do you have someone who can bring you here?
Yes, my friend is going to drive.
Okay, Dr. Johnson will take a look at your arm. Please come as soon as possible.